Hi guys! Welcome back! Don't click off, don't worry, don't panic. Yes, it is still Wheels No Heels. Yes, it's still me, Jem. Hi! But yes, I have had a little bit of a makeover. What do you think? Give me the thumbs up if you like it. But as you know, on my channel, Wheels No Heels is dedicated to making videos all about my disability lifestyle. I started out making hair tutorials. I still like to do the odd hair tutorial now and again on my channel, so yeah, I thought I'd mix it up and do a little hair tutorial for you. Today I'm going to be talking to you and showing you how I achieved these amazing heatless curls by using Curlformers. Okay, yeah, I'm sitting here with all of this very patriotic setup behind me, and why, I hear you cry, because Curlformers are all about celebrating curls. They're all about celebrating women with curls, and as we've got the World Cup coming up in a few days, they wanted to do the World Cup of Curls. So I am doing the World Cup of Curls for England. Woohoo! Let me know if you think I am in the running to winning that cup for England. You know, all the guys are on the pitch and it's all about the footballers, but why can't it be about us women as well? We want to have fun. There's going to be World Cup parties. I don't know about you, but I really do love to get involved with the World Cup. So whether you're celebrating England, Australia, or anyone else in the World Cup, make sure you do it in style. Now, the way that I achieved these curls was by using the one, the only Curlformers. They are salon quality heatless curlers that give you literally the best results ever. They work on all hair types, all nationalities and all lengths as well. And this is something that I have found to be really tricky, is to find a heatless curler that will work on my length hair, and this is by far the best one. Some of them don't even work because my hair is too long. So work on wigs, weaves and hair extensions too. They cause no damage whatsoever, so you can use them on people of all ages. I know my daughter absolutely loves to get involved and have some Curlformers now and again. They also come in a variety of styles. They come as the barrel curls, the spiral curls and the corkscrew curls, which look amazing and I'd really like to give a go. I have used the spiral curls, which I think are amazing. They give a really tight curl and I really love this look, because if I'm going to go curly, I'm going to go big, because you know what they say, you can go big or you can go home. So I used the Deluxe Pro styling kit, and in this styling kit you get 40 Curlformers. Now, I used an eye-watering 120 Curlformers, but my hair is deceptively thick. Most people will need about 40 or just a few more, and you can buy top-up packs on the website. I do know another Instagrammer who has used these Curlformers who has sort of like average thickness and length hair, and she used 38. So it is possible, so don't panic at that. I just have like a lot of hair. Now I'm going to step straight in and show you exactly how I achieved these heatless curls. Haha! So I have washed my hair and I have wrapped it in a towel, and I haven't actually towel dried it. I've let it stay as wet as possible. I highly recommend you do it on wet hair. Now, available on the Curlformers website is their very own hairbrushes, and I cannot stress enough how amazing their hairbrushes are. They have this oval one, and they also have this square paddle brush. I bought my mum this oval hairbrush for Christmas and my sister the paddle brush as well, and they have literally raved about them. My mum was like, "Jem, it's like a miracle." She suffers from quite dry, frizzy hair. Sorry mum, I hope you don't mind me saying that. But since using the hairbrush, it's just eliminated that frizz and really helped calm it down and make it look shinier and healthier and more nourished. That is all due to the tourmaline, I think you say it, technology within these brushes, which neutralise energy that's present in dry or damaged hair. Look, you can can just see my hair just gets so knotty, as you can imagine how long my hair is. But look how easily it is just gliding through the knots here. Also, it has a really nice long handle, so it is really easy to grip, and I don't find that I'm throwing it across the room. And what I've done is I have put my hair into its natural part line. What I do is I split my hair into 2 sections just by hand. I'm going to work on the biggest section first. I'm just going to tie this section up out of the way. And now we've got our working section. And what I promise makes a whole lot of difference is some holding mousse. So I definitely, woohoo, definitely recommend you use a nice dollop of styling mousse and make sure I work that through my hair. I'm just going to take my styling bag of the Curlformers. So when I start doing this, I like to start from the back, forward, from the bottom to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section a hair off from the back underneath here, and that's going to become my working section out of the way. So I get my first Curlformer and we just thread it on the hook like this. I'm really excited to give these a go. Now what I like to do is I like to twist the section of hair. So the section of hair is probably about 1 centimetre thick, and I twist it, I get the hook and clip it over the hook, and then you pull the rod and then it threads it through the hair like that. And then you just need to sort of make sure it goes back into its position. So now I'm going to get another section of hair, the same thickness, about 1 centimetre. Hold it nice and high at the top of the strand near the scalp, and then pull him through. And he's through. There we go. So there is the first section done. Right, so let's get on with the next section. I'm going to go for, just kind of do it all by feel, really. And I'm not really using a mirror here. I can see myself in the monitor down there, but I'm so short-sighted it's very blurry. So yeah, you don't even really need a mirror. You can just do this all by feel. Oh, do you know what? That's the colour of a cheesy What's-It? Or a Cheeto. Haha! Another section complete. So I've just been taking each section from the back to the front, from the bottom to the top, and I've still got a little bit more to go. So I just thought I'd show you my progress and where we're up to. Oh wow. Amazing. Oh, honestly, I can't wait to see what these are going to look like. Anyway, on with the next side. And again, I'm going to work from back to front, bottom to top. Said it all in one without messing it up. I'm going to take a section from the back at the bottom here.
One thing that you will notice straight away from the Curlformers is that they are such amazing quality. They also come with a lifetime guarantee with proof of purchase, which really speaks volumes to the quality of the product.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, ta-da-da-da. Wilder, wilder. Dun, dun, ding, ding. Ah! You're simply the best. You I ever met. Alright, don't go and watch something else. I'll stop, but I'm done. I'm really happy I'm done. So I have got them all in now. So something else that I highly recommend you do is that you put in a little bit of hairspray as well once you've got all of the Curlformers in to help them set and hold even more. So what I like to do is I do like to blow the hairdryer on the Curlformers for a bit just to help them on their way to setting, and yeah, leave them for a few hours. I'll get on with a little bit of editing, have something to eat, watch a bit of telly, and yeah, check in with you in a minute. But first, okay, I've had them in for a few hours now and it is the moment of truth. Oh my god, I am so excited. And you just pull them out. Yay! It's worked! Oh my gosh. Wowee. Let's go. And like they're so amazing, the way that these just stay in so well. I don't know what the best way is to do, whether to work from the bottom and work your way up. I'm not sure. Let's go from the bottom. I think that might be better. Stay in so well. Like these guys, they're not going anywhere. I've put like a jumper on over the top of these, which was quite hard to get over my head, but there was no way these guys were coming out, which is really good because quite a lot of things that you use to heatlessly curl your hair, you feel like they're not going to last the night or they're going to come out or whatever, but with these, they really stay in. And to pull them out, you just literally pull them. And what is so amazing about them is that there is no snagging, no pulling on the hair at all. They just slide out like a dream. Gosh. Do you know what? I have just been watching Sex and the City and this hair is like Carrie Bradshaw hair, isn't it? And oh my gosh, I loved that show back in the day. And oh, hair envy, I love her hair. You always want what you can't have, don't you? This way I can have my cake and eat it. Right, I'm going to carry on taking these out and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Woo. Oh wow, I think this is even better than the last time I did it. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh wow. Right, I am going to style these bad boys and be back in a minute. I am back. Now, when I go to the World Cup party, I am going to jazz myself up like this. I'm going to wear this cheeky t-shirt and I'm going to jazz up my hairstyle by wearing this very cute, celebratory, tinsely, patriotic headband. I think it's really cute, and I think when your hair looks this good, what else is there to do to it apart from maybe add a little bit more hairspray? But seriously though, yeah, these are by far the best heatless curls that I have ever tried. They are amazing for my long hair. I haven't found anything that works quite like this for my hair type and my hair length as well. If I haven't covered any information in the video, then do check in the description box for further information and the website to Curlformers. And if you have any questions that haven't been answered, then just feel free to drop them down below. Don't forget to come and say hi over on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I think for this hairstyle, let's give it a thumbs up. I really hope you enjoyed my video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye! If you've got Curlformers as well, make sure you use the hashtag World Cup of Curls so we can see it, and also Wheelsnoheels as well, because I would love to see your heatless curls.